Hi guys. Once again, this is Alfred from Amassers.com. And again, old Alfred's come around to see if you cats are picking up what I'm putting down. Today, I want to take a brief look at the markets. Stick around to the end, guys, because there's one coin that's moving right now. It's exciting. It's either going to keep flying or we're going to reach that point of exhaustion. But I'm going to go through all of the steps and show you guys how I arrived at this, show you guys the coin on the chart. But let's look at the broader market and see what's going on in crypto and if anything is happening on traditional finance. Right now, NASDAQ is pumping pretty good, 1.3 up on the day. And this is our fear monger indicator available free at our site, Amassers. And you can see we got one of five bulls right now on Bitcoin. Now we cover Bitcoin and Ethereum on here. So we got something good going on with the largest big daddy Bitcoin on the crypto market right now. Largest coin out there. Okay, let's come over here to our crypto tree map. And you can see broader market. We got some action today to the upside. I'll tell you what I like. I'll tell you what I don't like. I'd like to see Bitcoin dark here as well. And that would mean that we are over a critical Fibonacci level and moving in a positive trend. But we do have this dark green on Ethereum. We got some other coins out here showing a longer term strong trend to the upside as well. We got some stable coins selling off, and I think of that is okay, guys are getting a little risk off. Like I said, in traditional finance, we got the NASDAQ cooking today. So, we're having a good day out here on the markets. And so I thought I'd just drop in and chop it up with you guys a little while, talk about what's going on and show you how I use these free tools available at Amassers to spot early trends, to spot unusual activity and exhaustion maybe before it happens, and help you guys make some of this money. Okay, now let's get to what you guys are here for. This is not a signal, but I'm going to show you something that interests me on our chart today, on our screener, I should say. Okay, over here, you can see we have a really, really big chunk of FOMO right here on Arbitrum. I like Arbitrum, I got a little sham. Okay, but we are pumping right now. And on our key, you can see this is labeled is extreme FOMO, extreme fear of missing out, for those new to these types of terms. And the question is this sustainable? We're going to look for this to either slow down, and then we may get a point of exhaustion and we may see a little profit taking, or this is early actually we're going to look at a chart in a minute, but I like to start here on the watch list, and I want to see if there's something exciting for me to look at, some worth watching. And when it's there on the watch list like that, I will come and I'll click this button here and I'll look to see where are we in the deviation levels. Okay, coming over here, you can see we had 0% probability, and the deviation levels, we are just kicking it, guys. We are above the current price on the deviation levels. So we might see a little profit taking, or we might see that irrational exuberance kick in, and maybe we'll keep this going for another day. You're going to have to sometimes be patient and let the market whisper to you what it's going to do. Now, let's go over and let me show you guys this on a chart, because we get ideas on the screener, but we actually do our executions based on the price action we see on on a chart. Okay. Okay, very quickly, we got a 4 hour chart here on the crypto coin Arbitrum, and you can see that breakout pattern that we usually spot. We usually spot this right here on the ATR, and you can see where we broke out. You can see the same pattern inside of the price action. Now, ATR is going to show you volatility. It has nothing to do with what direction this volatility is headed. Okay. Now, right now, we're pumping up. You can see I got some key levels here. These are levels, just I hand drew these based on history going back to early May. And if we keep going, those are some key levels that I would be looking for. If we break out of this section, you can also see we've touched this area before a couple of times and rejected here. So we got to do a confirmation of sorts, and we got to see what's going to happen. Short term, hey, maybe these guys will take a breath here. We'll reach a little brief point of exhaustion. Right now, today, everything is buying and things are looking good. That's all I got for today, guys. If we've helped you, please help us by sharing this content with others. Hit the bell, hit the like button, leave a comment. Hopefully a nice comment. I'm trying to help you guys make some money here. And I'll see you guys in the next video. That's all I had. I wanted to talk about the markets today, and I wanted to take a look at Arbitrum while it's pumping. I don't know the news, guys, but often in these videos I'll say, look, anything that's happening in the news, this is all going to translate into the price in the market. That's all I got, guys. See you guys on the next one. See you when I see you. Peace.